On the campus of Zhejiang University, there's a place that connects art, history, and imagination.
浙大艺博馆呢，不仅是一个文物展示、保存的一个场所，更是一个以文物为教材、以空间为课堂的育人平台。它系统地支撑着浙大通识核心课程历代绘画中的中华文明的实践教学。
浙江大学艺术与考古博物馆是由浙江大学和著名的中国艺术史专家方文先生共同发起成立。And 10 years later, on September 8th, 2019, we finally launched this museum.
Each year, the museum welcomes around 10,000 international visitors. In 2024, we were honored to be recognized by the China Education Association for International Exchange as a social practice base for Chinese and foreign youth.
我们的学生经常利用这个展厅进行一个学习感受，能够在这里让他们近距离的让古代的书画在这里活起来，让他们能够来提升。
Created to connect research with artist experience, the museum embodies Zhejiang University's belief in well-rounded education, one that balances scientific depth with creativity and human expression.
其次，我们创新实践教学，让艺博馆成为专业人才的练武之地。我们和考古与文博系联合开设的博物馆藏品这样的一个课程，使学生能够在资深馆员和专业老师的理论指导下亲自动手。
So when the ZGU MAA was recruiting volunteer docent, I signed up for without hesitation.
To better serve our global audience, we have organized several rounds of English tour guide training and worked to standardize professional museum terminology.
Every exhibition begins long before the lights come on, in careful coordination of those who make it possible.
就我们在我们的展览工作中，其实是有一些基本的工作原则的，就是我们必须要以文物的安全为第一，然后其次才是我们的展示的美观性。比如说，我们举个例子，在我们的文物类展品的展览中，我们会先在展柜里面先设计好那个展台，然后在上面放置文物。在保护文物的同时，可以把文物最好的那一面呈现给观众。
In the museum, we keep discovering new stories. Some are hidden in the past, others unfolding before our eyes.
While the next one may be yours to discover.